Okay, this is how to take and make a copy of the Wally file from the Wally that you like to the Wally that's not performing to your expectations. Right click. Actually, you can do it anywhere down here, but let's say you hit the button. This nice black area here is my favorite right click area. This is applicable to all versions of Wally software from 3.1 up. Just come down here, right click, export, send folder, and now it is zipping up the files. You can see the status as it's going. This does take a little bit of time, especially on a slower system like the Wally. And then it will tell you it's copying it, give you a nice little dialog window. If the file already exists, then this zipped up version, it will warn you, and then you have to approve the overwrite. So we're going to do that a second time just to prove that that works. Right click, export, zip, and send. Now we're zipping it. And about now we're going to try and copy it, but remember, in the real life the Wally will not perform nearly so nicely. That'll take like 30 seconds to a minute to do its compress. And here it detected the previous one that we did, bin 3.66. In your case it could be 3.7, 3.71, 3.72, whatever version you like. So we're going to copy and replace it. And now up pops the dialog box, and you can see that this is doing this little copy to the removable disk drive D. We automatically detect that it's a removable drive, find the first removable drive in the system, and that's how we know what the drive letter is without saving or causing any problems. You can do the same thing with the recipe, export recipes and bin folder, but we don't recommend you do that for this particular purpose because the recipe has some other things in it. So now at this point, you would take and exit that program. And you can go ahead and go to your other Wally that you want to install it in on, and you're going to open the root drive, C:, and you would want to paste what we just made. So it's on, you go to your USB stick, which is removable drive D, and you're going to look for a zipped up file piece, and we should have a bin 3.66 right there. So you would copy this, and then you go back to your computer and put it on the drive C. It has to be on C:, as the root. So you just right click and paste, and we're going to copy and replace the old one. And there it is right there, and then you do right click and extract here, and then you just say yes to all, and it would write over it. And that's all it would take to update the program. Alright, that's the end of this thing. We'll clean it up and make it better.